Okay folks, welcome to day 2 of the mini bike build, and as you can probably guess, today is going to be priming and painting. I'm going to use a self-etching primer because this is all raw metal. Be sure to check the previous video to see how I prepared it. But I've turned the garage into sort of a makeshift paint booth here, put down craft paper, and I've got everything sort of spread out around. Right over here, you see this little thing, and this wasn't in the last video. I actually made this off camera, and I made it off camera because I didn't think it was going to work. It's just a scrap of diamond plate that I had, but I cut it to fit basically the top of the frame between the seat and the handlebars, and it actually worked out beautifully. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that too. It's gonna be a hot one today, so let's get started. Okay, I got everything primed, and by the way, I accidentally turned off the wide angle on that high-speed clip, so sorry about that. Now, when I think about the old mini bikes, like the Doodle Bugs, the Tacos, the Monkey Bikes, any of those from like the 70s, 80s, I think of them being either orange or yellow. And I'm not sure why, but that just stands out in my head. So I couldn't decide if I wanted to paint it orange or yellow, so I'm gonna paint it both. The back's gonna be orange, the front's gonna be yellow, and in the middle it's gonna fade between the two. Now I've learned that skill from painting guitars, so hopefully I can do it on a mini bike. Also, I grabbed some silver for the handlebars and the tank cover here. That should match the wheels just to give it kind of an accent. So once this is dry, let's lay down the top coat. Holy moly, that was a long day, but what we have here is what I wanted. That is exactly what I was looking for. Nice fade from orange to yellow, yellow on the fork in the front fender, orange on the back fender, and then silver on the highlights. I think it's gonna look amazing. You might be able to hear the rain falling. It just started raining. That's good because it's gonna cool things down. But anyway, I think I am done for today. I still need to clear coat it, but I think I'm just gonna let everything dry overnight. So that's the end of day 2. Tune in for day 3 when we're gonna start putting this thing together.